Hello friends, I welcome all of you to this channel Infotainment under the playlist of Smart Minds. Well, today we are going to see a very important tip or feature, I would say, that is how to use internet on your mobile while doing a regular call. Well, many times it happens that when you get a call, your internet is disconnected, and if you happen to connect your other computers or other devices from here as hotspot, Wi-Fi hotspot, then all other things gets disconnected just when you get a call or just when you attend a call. So how to address that issue? So in all phones there will be this feature, but I'm showing this in my OnePlus device. How to do that? It's very easy. You can also go on your phone in your networks and all these things and explore out. Mostly it will be in this kind of format. You have to go to settings. Once you go to settings, you can see there is something called Wi-Fi and network. If it is not a OnePlus device, or for example, if you have a Samsung device, you can go to your network settings. Mostly it will be in the network settings only. So Wi-Fi and network, once you go here, you can see in OnePlus, there's something called SIM and network. As I've said you, in your own other models and makes also, go to network settings, you'll find this option available there. So I go to SIM and network here, and once I go here in OnePlus device, straight away go to the bottom of this thing, and you can see there's something called data connection switch during calls. So here what I want to say you that during calls deliberately the data is switched off, because it's like a one-way road. Either you get calls or you get the data through that SIM, and since calls are a priority, so the data is automatically switched off. So for that matter, in OnePlus phones, it has given another method or another way, that is, if you call for example in SIM 1, then the data will be automatically switched to SIM 2, data connection switch during calls. It is writing that allow your device to temporarily use mobile data from non-default SIM, that is SIM 2, to remain connected during a call. For example, if I'm doing calls in SIM 1, it will go for data will be enabled in SIM 2. So if you enable this, for example, I have already enabled. If I enable this, people who are using postpaid SIMs in their second SIM or in any SIM, they need to be very careful that there will be data charges enabled while you are calling, while you are engaged in a call. I'll turn on, and here it goes. You can use internet during your calls in OnePlus. So friends, I hope you knew how to use internet during calls. If you found this video useful, please like this video and share this across various platforms so that many people come to know of this. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do so to get more of such little technical videos which will make your digital life simpler and easier. So till our next video, see you again. See you soon. Keep watching Infotainment. Thank you.